everybody. I hope you're all doing really well and you're all having a lovely weekend so far. I thought today I would mix things up a little bit and film a bit of a vlog. So I wanted to do a bit of a monthly favourites, so show you a couple of things that I've just been loving this month, show you my outfit, show you my new kind of filming setup which is behind me, and yeah, just have a general chat about things. So I thought I would just film just today for you and we'll see how we get on, and if you guys like this kind of video then let me know and we can film some more. So this is today's outfit of the day. I'm just working from home, so I'm very kind of comfy casual. I'm wearing this black vest top, which is a racer black vest top from, this one is from H&M I think. I've then got over this cardigan, which is a bit oversized. I got it a little bit big so it's nice and comfy. This one is also from H&M. And then I'm wearing these black, they're kind of culotte relaxed style trousers. They've got a drawstring waist which makes them super cozy, and they are from ASOS. And I've also got these trusty slippers. These slippers are from Pretty Little Thing and they're about £8 normally on sale, and I honestly live in them. I probably go through about 4 pairs a year, but I absolutely love them. They're so comfy. So first of all, let me chat you through my new little setup in my filming room. So this kind of area will probably be familiar to lots of you who watch my videos, but I just wanted to chat through the changes that I've made. So the first change that I've made is this gorgeous clothing rail. So this one is a really good firm clothing rail. I actually picked this one up at Argos and it was only, I think it was about £30, which I thought was really good, especially as it has this kind of wooden shelf to it. It's all screwed together, so this one isn't moving anywhere. And yeah, it's just a bit of a black theme. So I am going for a kind of neutral theme with black accents at the moment in this room, and I'm absolutely loving it. So what else I've done is I've popped up this piece of linen curtain. So I just love the fabric look of having a piece of fabric on the wall. Ignore the tops of how I've actually stuck it up. So I've got one of these like sticky peg thingies that you stick to the wall, and I've got picture frame wire that I managed to somehow thread through because I didn't have any string. But I think it's worked. If we just ignore how messy the top looks, actually the gorgeous linen curtain I think looks really nice, adds a bit of texture to the wall and a little bit of something else. This vase is from Dunelm. I got this ages and ages ago and it has served me well, and then I popped in some pampas which I've also had for ages, and this pampas is from Etsy. I'll see if I can find some and link it below for you. And then I also picked up this little storagey basket table thing which is from B&M, and this was only £12.99, and you can pop in anything inside, so maybe like rugs or blankets, and it's quite hard so you can use it as a table if you want to as well, which I thought was really good. And I just kind of like having it here just to add another something. I am going to be dressing it. I've got a H&M home order coming soon to dress it a little bit, so I'll show you that when it arrives. Now this, I get so many questions about this clock. This clock is from the range. I've had it for ages. It was super cheap and affordable, and yeah, just really lovely. Now this little candle here is from Home Sense. Home Sense have the best candles, I love them. And I've also picked up a couple of books, and these two are just from Amazon. And then a plant holder, which believe it or not, this is from Poundland, from their home section. And then the white console table is from Wayfair. So this is all quite plain and simple. Here's the window, and then by the window I've just stuck up these pictures because I loved how neutral they are, and also the black accents as well work so nicely with this room now. These ones are from Desenio, and I've just stuck them up using these command strips. I've never actually used them before, but hopefully they're going to be fine. I've kind of winged it in terms of how straight they are, but I think I've done an okay job. And yeah, this is my updated little dressing room or filming room tour. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, but I really, really like it. So let me chat you through a couple of things that I was loving in July and I'm still continuing to love into August. I know I'm kind of halfway through the month, but I'll have another August monthly favourites coming up at the beginning of September, and I'll be much more on time with it. I've got a couple of homeware things, skincare, beauty, and at the end I'm going to share with you some of my favourite outfits that I'm loving at the moment as well. So let me start with home. So one of the things I'm absolutely obsessed with is this beautiful reed diffuser from the White Company. This is in the scent Blanc and I absolutely love it. It is geranium, juniper, patchouli, rejuvenating diffuser, and the scent is so light and it's so fresh, but it's not boring, and it's quite an intense smell, so it really does fill up an entire floor. I have this one just as you walk into my house on the ground floor, and everybody compliments it. Everyone says how nice it smells when they walk into the house or when they walk downstairs, so that's a massive, massive compliment. And yeah, obviously it looks beautiful as well. It's very simplistic, very, very neutral, and it just smells so lovely. So moving on to hair care. Now I'm on a little bit of a hair journey at the moment, I would say. I've really been struggling over the last kind of 2 years probably with very thin, limp, just lank hair, and I think it's probably because of years of bleaching and blow drying and straightening and pretty much ruining my hair. So I'm on a bit of a repair journey, so I am trying to use less heat. What I'm doing is when I wash my hair, which I do probably 2-3 times a week, I wash it and then I fill it with lovely products. So I start off, if I am going to put a straightener or blow dry my hair later in the day, I'll put some heat protection spray in my hair. But what I'm also loving at the moment is this. Now this is a Schwarzkopf oil. It is marula and rose. It's a light oil in spray conditioner, so it's for fine to medium hair. Now I have really, really fine hair. I don't have a lot of hair. I wish I had more, but that is what my little growth journey is all about. And this is so lovely. Basically, you give it a shake and then you just give it a couple of spritzes over your damp hair, and then it will just act as a leave-in conditioner. And you know, I've had this for less than a month now, and I just use it every single time I wash my hair, and it smells lovely as well. So I'm loving this, and then together with that I'm using this, which is a Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Hair, which is a restoring balm. It's specifically for blonde hair, and it's an end sealer and anti-frizz cream for all hair types. So I use this again once I've towel dried my hair and let it air dry just a little bit. I'll pop the tiniest dollop into my palm, warm it up, and then just run it through the ends of my hair. So today you would have seen I've left my hair just to air dry pretty much all the way, and then I've got a Babeless, I don't know how you say it, heat tool, which is kind of a bit of a cheap dupe for the Dyson Airwrap, and I just move that through my hair just to dry it slightly. And then I have just used my Cloud9 straighteners, which are slightly lower heat settings, just to create a bit of a wave in my hair today. But this sealer is really nice, and it basically helps to protect against new hairs that are growing. So skincare, I have found finally a brand of skincare that I am obsessed with. I use their moisturizers morning and night, and it's CeraVe. If you haven't heard of CeraVe, which you probably have, let's be honest, I am very late to the party. This is ruined because it's just been in my makeup drawer for so long now, but I loved it so much that I got the evening cream. So this one is an AM, it's a morning moisturizer with SPF 25 in it. It's exactly the same as the evening cream, but the evening cream doesn't have the SPF in it. So it's a very simple moisturizer, really affordable. You don't have to break the bank with these ones, and it feels lovely. I have quite sensitive skin. This one doesn't bring up any redness, it doesn't bring up any irritation, nothing. It works so nicely, keeps my skin lovely and hydrated, and the SPF is lovely as well because you know you're protecting your skin every single day from the sun. So makeup wise, there are a couple of things that I'm loving, but I just wanted to mention two in today's video. So the first of these is this. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum. Oh my goodness, I've fallen in love with it. I think it is so beautiful. I apply this is the first thing that I put on my face after I've done my skincare in the morning, and I put this on before I put my moisturizer on, and I just do a couple of pumps on each side, mix it round, whiz it all over my face, and it feels lovely. My makeup goes on so smoothly, and I feel like it does give me a bit of a base glow as well. The only thing I would say is it's very expensive. I think this little pot was about £60. I almost fell over when the lady at the Charlotte Tilbury counter told me that, but you know, I acted as if everything was fine. So it's really expensive, and I'm almost a quarter of the way through and I haven't had this that long. So that's the downside, but it is a lovely serum. And the other thing that I'm loving is this little Revlon blush. So this one is in the shade Ravishing Rose. It is number 020, and it is the prettiest pink blush. Now, you might be slightly intimidated by the colour when you see it in the palette like this, but I'm wearing it today, and I've just dabbed it over my cheeks, over my nose with a big old fluffy brush, and it just gives you a really lovely, youthful tint and pinky glow, I think. So don't be put off by how bright it looks here. When it's on your skin, it's not actually that bad, and yeah, I think it looks really pretty. It's a really pretty pink. So I'm going to show you now a couple of my favourite outfits that I'm loving at the moment. We are definitely transitioning from summer to autumn, and honestly, I couldn't be happier about it. I get to wear all of my favourite comfy clothes. The leather leggings are going to be coming back out, the boots are going to be coming back out, the coats, all of the cozy things, and I'm so happy about it. I love summer, but moving into autumn fashion is just the best in my opinion. So let me show you a couple of, I guess these are transitional outfits that I'm loving and wearing a lot at the moment. So this one is outfit number 1, and it's such a classic, easy to wear, very minimal look. Now, I am obsessed with teaming little black strap tops or vest tops with more smart formal trousers. I think the combination just works so nicely, and it's such an easy way to make a very chic, effortless look. So this top is the one I've been wearing in today's video. It's from H&M, and these trousers are from ASOS. They're pleated trousers, and they are in this kind of stony, grey, light beigey colour, all of the colours. I've just popped on this belt to break up the colour a little bit, and then I'm wearing this bag, which is from Mango. It's the minimalist bag, and then I've teamed these Mango sandals with the look as well. One thing I love about this time of year is how you can kind of get away with wearing sandals and trousers together. I think it looks so nice and works so well. So yeah, this is the first look that I've been wearing a lot. Oh, there's my tripod in the corner there. This next look is a very comfy, casual look, and It's kind of hanging on to the summer ever so slightly with these shorts. These ones are the linen blend shorts from H&M. I've then got this really cozy jumper. It's a cream jumper and I've shown it in my recent H&M haul if you wanted to check it out. So yeah, this one's from H&M as well. Super comfy. I've teamed it with my basket bag because I'm not quite ready to give this one up just yet. And I also love how it kind of warms up the outfit a little bit. And then I think I'm just going to pop chunky trainers on my feet, to be honest. I think chunky trainers work really nicely with this look. Just a white pair, keeps it very neutral, keeps it nice and fresh. And yeah, it's such an easy, comfy, wearable running errands look, or if you're popping into town to do a bit of shopping, this is probably the outfit that I would go to. So I'm sure, as many of you will probably know, I'm not the biggest jeans wearer in the world, but one thing I'm loving doing is just pairing very relaxed shirts. So this one is a bit of a plissé style shirt from H&M, just a black one with my jeans. So these ones are actually high-waisted, kind of straight leg jeans with a bit of a slit at the bottom. So very long, very kind of slouchy and comfy. And then pairing them with a pair of sandals or little kind of sliders or something very easy on the feet. These jeans are actually from In The Style. They are from Billy Fair's range and they're really lovely. The only thing I would say is they are a bit gapey around the waist. So I've just popped on this black belt for that reason. I probably would pop a little kind of vest top or something underneath this when the weather gets a little bit cooler. But for now, this is how I'm just pairing it. Very simple, very basic, very easy to wear, but still I think a little bit of a statement. So I've had a little mini delivery from Style Cheat and I've never tried them before, but I thought I would do a little unboxing with you. Oh, so I have picked this dress. This is a polka dot dress. So this is what it looks like. It's a kind of shirt in the middle, and then it has puff sleeves, a little square neckline, and I guess it's kind of a mini. And yeah, I thought it was really pretty. So I picked that one up, and I also picked up a black dress. So this one is more of a maxi dress. It has a waterfall kind of pleated detail, and then at the top it has these really lovely ruffle sleeves as well. So yeah, definitely go and check out Style Cheat over on Instagram. Watch out for these dresses on my feed. I had my second COVID vaccine yesterday and I'm so tired. I had this last time when I had my first one. Tiredness and headaches were, I guess, my main two symptoms, and a massively dead arm. But yeah, I just feel completely knackered. So I've been baking some banana bread this afternoon. I've tidied a few things up. I've started to edit this video as well. And I think I'm probably going to call it a day here. So I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. It's something a little bit different, a bit more of a kind of vlog style. I've had so much fun creating it. It's nice to do something a bit different and mix it up every now and again. So if you did enjoy it, please do give me a big thumbs up or a comment to let me know, and I can create more videos like this for you in the future. Thank you so much as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.